Hey guys, right now you are working together with your teammate to decide on a team charter. You're setting your ground rules, really getting yourselves lined up to begin work on the project. The project has three parts, which I mentioned in a previous announcement. But once your team charter is complete, our next step is going to be another milestone, which is an outline. And there will be additional milestones, and then you'll submit your final projects at the end. I just want to urge you to follow the process. It's very tempting to start developing a PowerPoint presentation, even though the paper is not written, but I really want you to go in order and follow the process. And if you do that, your work in this class is going to be much easier. Additionally, I'm trying to teach you guys an important process and format for how you can approach these things in your professional career. And when you are working in groups, the first thing is to get organized. Who's doing what? Who has responsibility and accountability for what? The next thing is to really think about what it is we're trying to do and organize our ideas and thoughts, which is what you'll do in the outline, etc. So just trust the process. If you have questions, please let me know, and I look forward to a great week with you. Take care.